So during the period of time that the semen is thawing, you've got some time to do some other things. Pre-warming the gun is very important. We want to make sure that a warm straw of semen does not go into a cold gun. Cold shock will injure sperm cells. So pre-warm the gun. Just a few rubs of a paper towel is all that's necessary. Okay. Also during that time, I'll prepare a bunch of AI towels. I'll get some towels ready to put in my pocket to use at the cow. After that's been achieved, simply raise the basket, pull out the straw with clean hands, of course. Wipe off the straw. Want to make sure that the straw is completely dry because water will kill sperm cells. Pull back the plunger on the gun. Insert the straw plug end first. Okay. When that's achieved, you'll see that a bit of straw is in fact sticking out of the gun. You'll see the level of the semen. You'll see a level of an airspace between the semen and the crimped end of the straw. We're going to take our stainless scissors and we're going to cut through that straw in the airspace just above the level of the semen, just like that. Then we're going to very carefully wipe off the scissors. And this is a very important process because bull semen can grow bacteria. Also, there's a very slight chance of cross-contamination of sperm cells from one straw to the other. Regardless of that, we want to make sure that it's clean. The sheath is the next thing to be placed over the gun. So the cut end of the straw goes into the blue insert, just like that. Pull the sheath down over the shaft of the gun and lock the sheath onto the gun with the spiral threads that are located down here. Just simply twist, watching this end of the gun so that the insert goes up to the end of the sheath and creates a nice tight seal, just like that. Then we're going to prime the gun, and the idea behind priming the gun is to get rid of the little bit of air that's in the end of the straw and to make sure that the plunger is in fact properly engaged with the straw. So we just simply bring a little bit of semen up into that reservoir, just like that. Now the gun is primed. The next step, of course, is to put on the protective sheath. Two types of protective sheath at your disposal. This one here is a white tip sheath that is very popular among producers. We simply put a very small kink in it to help hold it onto the gun, like so. And this is designed, of course, to keep the tip of the gun that enters the cow uterus as clean as possible. The other type of protective sheath, of course, is this one here, the IMV Sani sheath. Okay, you simply remove one from the bag, put the gun through the slit on the side, and pull everything back so that it covers the gun completely. Okay. Again, the same goal is achieved, making sure that the gun is clean as it enters the cow. The protective sheath is always broken just before the cervix. Once the gun is loaded, you're going to protect the gun from cold shock. You're going to place the gun under your shirt and proceed to the cow.